I'm going to explain it first and then ask you to try it. So what you're going to do is inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. And we're going to do that 3 to 5 times. And try not to move your shoulder muscles or your chest muscles. So you can try that. And you'll feel your diaphragm pushing down. It's normal. Okay, and then for coughing, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth 2 or 3 times, and then let out 3 forceful coughs without taking a breath in between. 2 to 3. There, and you want to make sure that you actually cough, not just clear your throat. So next I'm going to teach you how to do leg exercises. So I'm going to get you to lay flat. So the first one we're going to do is ankle flexion. So you're going to just rotate your ankle, or ankle rotation. Rotate your ankle in circles. And do that 5 times on each foot.
You're supposed to tell me that before.
And then dorsiflexion, so put your toes towards your nose. And then point them for plantar flexion. And do that 5 times. So the next one, you're going to put your legs flat. And you're going to like push your knee as far down. And then relax. And then do it 5 times. Okay. So then you're going to do leg raises. So keep your legs as straight as you can. And one at a time, pick them up. 5 times on each leg. Okay, and then you're going to bend your knee and push it up towards your chest, not too far, and then do that 5 times with each leg. There, so you're going to do that once every hour or 2 while you're awake. This time I'm doing sterile gloving. So first things first, we're going to wash our hands. Mine's already open because I was practicing. Peel that open. And put this on a clean work area. So first I'm going to do my dominant hand by picking up the cuff and only touching the inside of the glove. And then I'm going to slide the gloved hand into the cuff without touching your hands to the outside of the glove. There, and then you'd hold them like this away from your body until you do your procedure. And then to take them off, you do this, careful not to touch your wrist, and then tuck this finger down its side, pull it over, and discard them, and then perform hand hygiene again.